Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can remove the header and the footer from your text documents on LibreOffice Writer. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your text document in the first step, and as you can see, this example document features a header and a footer, and it goes or follows the entire document. So if you'd like to remove it, there are two ways you can do it. Option number one, right click into the given header or footer. Click into this handle here, footer, and select delete footer. Confirm. And as you can see, there's no footer anymore. So that's option number one. Option number two, click into the header or footer, select insert here at the top, hover your mouse over header and footer, and navigate to the given category, which is header in this case here, and unselect the selected header. Confirm. And that is going to remove the header from your entire document. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.